Today we are going to discuss past tense and other kinds of past tense. Now, number one there is simple past. Simple past. Simple past tense is it shows an action that is started and ended in the past. Started and ended in the past. For example, formation. How to form the sentence of this tense. So subject is there. Then second form of the word verb, second form, and then object. Very easy. Subject, second form of the verb, and object. Second form of the verb. For example, he ate a man. He ate a man. And there is no difference between the singular subjects and plural subjects. Yes. With all of the subjects, you will write second form of the word. They ran fast. They ran fast. I watched a movie. I watched a movie. For negative and particular sentences, you must keep it in mind that you have to use did. Yes. And whenever you use did, then there will be first form of the word. Yes. Simple and very much easy. For negative sentences, we use a did. Not. Did not. Any subject is there if we write a complete formation. Then did not is there, and then first form of the verb is there. First form of the verb, and then object. This is the formation. For example, the same sentences if I write Aslam did not write a letter. Aslam did not write a letter. Now I used did. And did is, yes, did in itself is the past form of do. Yes, sir. तो जिस तरह पहले मैं आपको बताया दिया कि there will be second form. Second form of verb is used. तो did जो है ये do का second form है. और जब did लगाइए तो फिर verb main verb जो है उसका first form. We did not make a noise. We did not make a noise. For interrogative sentences, only this did will be brought into the beginning of the sentence. Did. Interrogative sentences का एक दो तीन मिसाल sentences. यानी इसका जो फॉर्मेशन है तो did, then subject, then first form of the verb, and then object. This is the formation. If not is there, that will be there after the subject. If not is there, negative and interrogative. She did she come late Did he come late to the class? And at the end there must be question mark, sign of interrogation. Now we are going to start another tense that is past continuous. For past continuous, there is was and were, and then ing form of the verb. Formation is there. In after subject, there is the auxiliary verb was and were, and then verb के साथ ing and then object. For example, they were. And also keep it in mind, for plural subjects you have to use one, and for singular subject you have to use was and were. Huh? For I here is was. Yes, I here is singular. They were playing cricket. They were playing cricket. I was reading the paper. I was reading. For interrogative sentences, you are supposed to put not after the auxiliary verb. Meaning after was and were, only put not. The formation is like this: subject plus was not and were not. They are negative sentences. Yes, I am talking about negative. We are doing first negative sentences. Yes, you are right. And I was in the wrong. And then verb, the same first form with the ing. ing form of verb and then object. For example, she was not dancing today. We were not breaking the door. Interrogative sentences. Only auxiliary verb is to be written at the beginning. Was and were in the beginning plus subject plus verb ing form plus object. Clear? For example, was he looking outside? And question mark or sign of interrogation at the end. Was he looking outside? Were you? when eating the meal. Question mark at the end. Now there is another tense, past perfect. Past perfect tense. For past perfect tense, you will use third form of the verb after had. Yani, there is helping verb had and then third form of the verb. So the formation will be like that. Subject in the beginning plus auxiliary verb had or helping verb had, then third form of the verb and then object. For example, the boys had made a protest. The boys had made. Had is there and then made the third form. They had killed. Had and killed. They had killed the enemy. They had killed the enemy. अब इसमें भी वही बात है कि with singular and plural subjects had is used. There is no differentiation. For negative sentences, after the helping verb, you have to use not. Formation will be like that: subject plus had not, and then third form of the verb, and then object. The same thing is there, only the addition of not is there. For example, my father had not bought B-O-U-G-T bought B-A-U-G-T bought a car for me. My father had not bought a car. She had not rejected his proposal. For interrogative sentences, only had will be written in the beginning. Had in the beginning. Had plus subject plus third form of the verb and then object. For example, had we flown or have you flown the kite. Have you flown? Third form and have. And sign of interrogation at the end. Sign of question mark symbol is there. Then another thing is there, past perfect continuous. Past perfect continuous. At the same time, it is perfect. And then continuously large. So in perfect tense, you are using third form of the verb clear? And in continuous tense, you are using ing form of the verb. So when they are both together, perfect and continuous, so then there is an addition that we will be using be double EA. And after here, when we write be, then we will be allowed to write the ing form of the verb. Otherwise, here के बाद तो third form आ जाता है. तो be में हमें इजाजत है क्योंकि ये perfect भी है head वाला perfect. और perfect जो है head का इस्तेमाल perfect में होता है. Past perfect. और continuous में ing form है तो be लगाने से हमें इजाजत मिल जाता है. तो इसमें जो फॉर्मेशन है ये है subject plus auxiliary word had been. Helping verb had been plus first form ing, verb के साथ ing and then object. For example, the farmer had been working in the field for 2 hours. Any time expression must be there in this case, time expression. And you already know about that time expression. ये तो आप लोग मैंने किया था एग्जैक्ट स्पेसिफिक पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम जब आपको नोन हो तो उसके साथ सेंस और अगर सिर्फ दोहराई का या आर से का जिक्र किया गया हो तो उसके साथ जो ड्यूरेशन हो तो फिर फार लगाएंगे लेकिन मैंने ये भी बताया था कि अगर ड्यूरेशन के साथ पिछला आ जाए लास्ट फिर सेंस लास्ट 2 आवर्स असल में आवर्स के साथ तो फार आता है लेकिन जब लास्ट 2-3 आवर्स आ जाए अच्छा I have been working since last 3 days. Since last 3 days. ये ओनली ड्यूरेशन का जिक्र है डेज का तो डेज और मंथ्स और घंटों के साथ तो फार आता है लेकिन जब इसमें लास्ट आ जाए फिर सेंस लगेगा they have been watching you since 9 o'clock. अब 9 o'clock के साथ सेंस किस वजह से करिए कि पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम नोन है एग्जैक्ट टाइम दिया गया है एग्जैक्ट टाइम को मेंशन For negative sentences, के लिए इस हेड और बीट के दरमियान हेड और बीट के दरमियान नॉट लगाएंगे, यानी ये सब्जेक्ट प्लस हेड नॉट बी और फिर आईडीजी फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब और फिर फॉर एग्जांपल Ali had not been going to school since 2020. Since 2020. अगर इंटरेक्ट रिलेशन लिए होंगे तो इसके साथ है तो बिगिनिंग में लिखेंगे, यानी हेड प्लस सब्जेक्ट प्लस बीन प्लस वर्ब आईडी फॉर्म and then object. For example, had you been. In the beginning there is had, the subject is be, and then ing form of the verb. Had you been knocking for 3 minutes, and at the end there is question mark. This is sufficient for today.